Lalang percent na ako. PDS tornado warning. Warning issue. 5:36 a.m.
Ayan na.
Dito tayo.
Bakit? Bakit ka dyan?
Papark tayo para lumabas na tayo.
O tara, labas na tayo.
Wala pa, hindi ko pa pinark.
Sasakyan ba to?
Pang setup yan. Dito rin yung basement natin.
Tara na. Morning na. Nandiyan pa para yung tornado.
Wait lang. You will stay there. I will do something real quick. Oh no, yeah. You should wait for me because I am literally very busy. Bro, run away, bro! Go to the parking lot! Where I put the car, hurry!
Bro, why are you scared? I'm not gonna die.
I'm sure that's what you're saying. Can I see? I wanna go there. I wanna go on a tornado. I have never been going on to that thing. So let's get close. How do you run? Oh, you have to press this maybe if you want to run. I'm going to the tornado, bro. Bro, that tornado is so far. Bro, where is it? Where is that thing? Where does that land from?
Nira yung mga bahay.
Look, you can go up to the roof.
Oh.